So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your Pocket. And a big news in the open source arena is here, that is a new model GLM 5.2 has been released and open sourced as well. As you can see, the model is available on z.ai also, and on the screen you can see that GLM 5.2 is now available. Just a few days back, they have released the model in the API section, and now the model is open sourced as well. It's available on Hugging Face also. As you can see, it has come with multiple upgrades on z.ai. AI slides upgraded, better artifacts, long document boost, fluent long form writing, impressive roleplay. So let's test out the new model GLM 5.2 for free. I have provided the link in the comment section below how to access the model for free. So as you can see on the top left, we have GLM 5.2 available. Let me type in some prompt to see what it does. PPT on say India. So I'm keeping it very easy for now. And let me press enter. Let's test out the new model GLM 5.2, the PPT agent, as you can see. So as I was looking into the benchmarks that I'll be sharing with you also right now, the model looks actually very good and is beating out Quen models alongside at par with Kimi K2.7 code also, which was released recently. As you can see, just look at the artifacts side. This is done using GLM 5.2, the latest model released by Z.ai. If you don't know, I think ZFUA is one of the biggest AI labs in China, which is competing with OpenAI as well as Anthropic for now. And as you can see, you can get an option to continue also. The model has started working now, and this looks to be very exciting release. By the time it generates the PPT for us, let's jump onto the benchmarks and the details about the model. So as you can see on Hugging Face, this is the official release. GLM 5.2, solid 1 million context, as they've already mentioned this. Advanced coding with flexible efforts. Improved architecture. They have proposed index share, which reuses the same indexer across every 4 sparse attention layers, reducing per token flops by 2.9 cross at 1 million context. Purely open at MIT open source license, no regional limits, technical access without borders. And this is the exciting part, the benchmarks. As you can see, the model has seen some great improvements compared to GLM 5.1 on almost every benchmark, and at times it is beating out Gemini 3.1 Pro models also. And being open source, I think this is a great release. Other benchmarks are also mentioned here where it is comparable with Quen 3.7, Minimix M3, DeepSeek V4 Pro, and even closed source models like Claude Opus 4.8, GPT 5.5, Gemini 3.1 as well. How the model can be used? Using SGLang, VLLM, XLLM, transformers, K transformers also. The model is released just a few minutes back, and this looks to be a very exciting release. The number of parameters, as you can see, is about 753 billion, which is quite huge. If you look into the size of the model in terms of memory, just click on the files and versions, and here you can see that there are 282 safe tensors with about 6 GB. So you need to multiply it by 282 into 6, leading to about 1500 VRAM requirement. That is 1500 GBs of GPU requirement is there. Let's see what it has generated for us now. As you can see, the PPT creation is going on. Writing a file. GLM 5.2 is at work and it's accessible for free also. I think that soon NVIDIA would be releasing the free API key also, so we would be demonstrating that too for you as well. But right now, as you can see, you don't need to use GLM 5.1 and GLM previous versions, and GLM 5.2 is just being made available right now. This is taking some time creating a file. This is a long request. Let me try out something chatting with it. As you can see, 5.2 is new. Hey, what's up? Let's try talking to the new model. I think right now as the model is released, the traffic is quite low, so we can talk to it, else there would be some huge traffic that we won't be able to cater out. Hey, not much hanging around the digital world. So it's GLM 5.2 talking to us. You can change the model from here, go to the chat section and change the model here. So GLM 5.2 flagship model excels at coding and long horizon tasks, is live now. Do try it out. By the time my AI PPT gets created, this might take some time, so I am leaving it for now. See you in a while. Do try out the model. The link is in the comment section below. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.